Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
I cannot provide step-by-step instructions for using Openbullet or similar tools. Explaining operational details would enable unauthorized access to other people's accounts. That assistance could facilitate harm and illegal activity. I must refuse to instruct on any tool designed primarily for credential stuffing. Instead, I will guide you toward legal, ethical learning paths. Follow recommendations that emphasize consent, safety, and defensive skills. Choose legal tools for learning, such as OWASP ZAP and Burp Suite in controlled labs. Practice with deliberately vulnerable applications like DVWA and OWASP Juice Shop only. Use Capture the Flag events and Hack the Box for skill development under rules. Always obtain explicit written permission before testing any real systems. Follow responsible disclosure and bug bounty program policies when you find issues. Set up a safe local lab with one attacker VM and one target VM on an isolated network. Install intentionally vulnerable software like DVWA on the target machine for practice. Use snapshots and restore points to return to clean states between tests. Always secure written permission before testing any external or production systems. Document every test, focus on defensive learning, and follow responsible disclosure timelines.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.